today? How are your parents and your siblings? Hope they are doing well. Welcome to our educational series. I remain Teacher Jerry. Our lesson today is mathematics. And the topic of our lesson is fraction. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, the pupil should be able to 1. Define fraction. 2. Mention some examples of fractions. I hope you still remember our last topic on mathematics. Good. Multiplication. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Beautiful. Meaning of fraction. Fraction means part of a whole. Examples of fraction: we have one whole. Look at an orange. One orange. Yes, here comes our lesson. What's our topic? Fraction. You see, one whole orange has been divided into two parts. That is fraction. One side is half and the other side is half. Look at the shape, a circle, which has also been divided into two parts. One side is half and the other side is half. That means half plus half equal to 1. Half plus half equal to 1. Another important thing I want to tell you, do not forget, the number on top is called numerator. The number 1 here is called numerator, while the number 2 below is called denominator. I take that again. The number on top in any fraction is called numerator, while the number below is called denominator. Right, this is another fraction, 1/3. How do we get 1/3? You have one whole and you divide one whole into 3 parts. That will give us what? 1/3. Look at here, 2 parts are being shaded blue and the 1 part is being shaded green. So how many parts do we have? All 1, 2, 3. Which part is being shaded green? How many parts? 1. That is why we have 1/3. We have 1/4. Having one whole being divided into 4 parts, then only 1 part is being shaded. Let's count the number of parts on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many parts is being shaded? 1 part. That is why we have 1/4, which is called 1/4. This is another fraction, 1/5. 1/5 here means we have 5 parts. It's only 1 part that is being shaded. That's why we have 1/5. If we have 2 parts being shaded, the answer would have been 2/5, and that would be 2/5. and so on. Look Look at this one again. Also 1/5. 5 parts and only one part is being shaded. That's why we have 1/5. Okay. Evaluation. What is fraction? Fraction is part of a whole. 2. Mention examples of fraction. We have half, which is 1/2. We have 1/3, have 1/4, we have 1/5, and so on. Summary. Fraction is part of a whole. Some examples of fractions are half, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, and so on. In your homework, you are to answer the following questions. Number 1, what is fraction? 2, mention 3 examples of fractions you know. All right, we have come to the end of our lesson. Do your homework. Bye-bye.